Yep.
That's the water. Look at that fence. This is freaking crazy. That's the highway.